ఇక డీటెయిల్స్ చూస్తే విశాఖలో చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అలా చూద్దాం.
Now, as on today, sea cargo, we are in second position more or less after Gujarat. Next year, we will be distant second position. From now onwards, if you see location advantage, we are having excellent advantage. I want to make Andhra Pradesh as a logistics hub for Southeast Asian countries and also interland for India. This is going to happen. This is the biggest advantage. And at the same time, water is available, excellent roads are available. Further, we are going to intensify infrastructure. So, with all these advantages, our industrial policy is one of the most proactive policy. The government is very much keen. I will give you one example. Combined Andhra Pradesh, for 10 years, they have spent 1,200 crores for industrial incentives. Nearly 2,000 crores only in separate new Andhra Pradesh, they have kept bills in pending. Last year we had a problem, and at the same time we are able to clear all arrears. Today there is no arrears pending with government. That is how we have cleared all industrial incentives. From this year onwards, even I am planning to disperse money real time, even every month. It all depends upon entrepreneurs. Government is very keen that there won't be any pending. Even I am thinking, even simplification, even there is a power, you need not pay. Government will pay automatically so that you may not have that burden. Even commercial taxes incentive. Sometimes you are paying, afterwards you are getting reimbursement. Straight away I can adjust that also. Like that I am working differently without any problem for the industry and also for entrepreneur. This is the best policy. And also incentives wise, either power subsidy, industrial subsidy, for anything for that matter, registration, stamp duty exemption, everything we are number one. If you go to other state, you take that policy, you compare our industrial policy. Our industrial policy is the best policy compared to any other state. If we compare all 29 states, ours is the best. I am assuring you that is how we are moving now. Second one, here everybody, foreigners especially, to do business, they are feeling so much of suffocation in India because of procedures, sometimes red tapeism. So many problems they are facing, they are complaining. Now we are going differently. Any clearances, once you decide to set up an industry, within 21 days, we will give all clearances. For that we have created single desk system. You will not go to any office. Straight away, you can file to the concerned desk officer and also online, and it is available now. Today we are launching that program. That single desk in charge, it is responsible to coordinate all departments. Every month, 3rd and 16th, we are having meetings regularly. Anybody is not cooperating, anybody is not clearing department-wise, we have given power to the single desk officer who is the Commissioner of Industries. He can overrule anybody, he can give deemed clearance also. That is the provision we have kept. Now it is very easy. Within 21 days, before that, we can give all clearances for you. And also any mega project, case-to-case study, we can have a discussion. On the basis of that, once you decide, then that also will give all clearances within 21 days, except some environmental studies, that is pollution and other things, we can deal differently. There also we can help you how to work it out. And also if you see here, by doing all these things, again we are moving further. How to do business very easily, ease of doing business, we are working. We are having a collaboration now, Lee Kuan Yew School of Public Policy and also National University of Singapore and Government of Andhra Pradesh and also CAI chapter. We are working with them how to go for ease of doing business in AP. In this, we are taking up so many things, conducting joint research programs on ease of doing business and enhancement of economic competitiveness and study economic situations and investment opportunities in AP from Asian countries, China and other countries, how to do it. That is the exercise we are working with them. Andhra Pradesh is having abundant mineral resources, whereas generally some interior states where tribal population is more, their abundant mineral resources, but Andhra Pradesh is having abundant mineral resources. One is KG Basin, Krishna Godavari Basin, where abundant gas is available. We are number one in gas. Even ONGC has given an estimate recently. By 2018, they are going to explore nearly 25 million cubic meters of gas. And ONGC is doing. Even Gujarat government organization, they are also doing. After this, if you see in Andhra Pradesh, bauxite. After Orissa, abundant bauxite reserves are located in Andhra Pradesh. And also we are having coal. In Chintalpur area, excellent coal is available. We are exploring that possibility. Varieties, we are having very strong in varieties. Even if you see granite, one of the best granite, Galaxy granite, it is best in the world itself. That is how one of the best granite is available in Andhra Pradesh. Beach sand. Because after everything, it is coming to Andhra Pradesh. One is sea coast advantage, and also so much of mineral wealth is coming from upper stream also. Now we are having excellent beach sand. All properties are available. We want to explore that also. For all these things, even limestone, abundant limestone. We are very strong in cement industry. We can build further. We can export also. So these are all the mineral resources we are having. We want to go for value addition for this. That is where we are interested to work. And also we are going to release policy also. Any industrialist, if you are interested, you be in touch with us, and also we can have some MOUs, and also we can work for value addition. Another area, IT, this is the biggest advantage. I am very happy. If you see in America, especially even Microsoft chief is from Andhra Pradesh. Nadella Satya belongs to our state. I am proud to say he is from our state. So many middle level top officers, they are from India. Even PepsiCo CMD is from India. So many companies for that matter. And also in Microsoft, around 38% professionals are from India. In that, 25% are my state. Recently, yesterday, you have seen All India exams. In All India exams, all IIT, NET, any exam for that matter, even civil service, everything. Combined Andhra Pradesh stands number one. Today in that, both states and also Andhra Pradesh is leading. That is how all exams, that means knowledge means first is Andhra Pradesh. That much of knowledge is available. On higher education, Andhra Pradesh tops any state in that matter. So, by using all these things, from the beginning I am very much interested in technology. I want to take leverage of technology. Another 5 years' time, India is going to import nearly 200 to 300 billion US dollars of imports of hardware and electronics. We are all thinking we are importing more gas, oil. Another 5 years, gas is secondary. Main imports are hardware and also electronics. We want to substitute for this. We want to go for manufacturing. Even our Prime Minister, Make in India, that is the best program. I wanted to promote Make in India, and also I want to promote Made in Andhra Pradesh. That is our slogan. That is how we are working to reach our goal. Because we are very strong in information technology, we are using information technology in a big way in development also. There are so many advantages. I am giving you an example. We are able to deliver pensions now. Around 42 lakh pensions we are giving our people. Now every officer we are giving tab. He will go to his residence. He can distribute pension. By having access to the Aadhaar account, and at the same time both fingerprint and also iris we are putting in the tab, so that authenticity 100%, there won't be any malpractice or manipulation.